Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I made some Polau rice in Shahi style, and also you can say biye bari style Polau. This is so easy to make and follow this process step by step. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So let's get started. For this dish, I took 5 cups of Polau rice or Kalijira rice. You could take Chinigura rice also, and I'll wash it very nicely, and then I'll drain those water and try to dry it on that other bowl about 30 minutes. I took 5 cups because this is for the eat day. If you want to make 2 cup rice or 3 cups rice, make sure the cup are using for the rice, you have to take double the liquid. That means if you take 2 cups rice, then it's gonna be 4 cups liquid. So for the 4 cups liquid, I'm always using 3 cups water and 1 cup whole milk. Please always make sure that's gonna be whole milk, because if you don't have the mawa, then whole milk work great, but Bangladeshi chefs, they are using mawa. That's why it's so yummy over there. But today I don't have a mawa, so I'm using the whole milk. So here I put the pan on the burner. First I'm adding half cup of soybean oil, then I added half teaspoon of caraway seeds, 8 to 9 cloves, 7 to 8 green cardamom, 3 to 4 medium size of bay leaves, and 2 cinnamon sticks. I break it into a small pieces. Fry them in a lower heat. Make sure you're not gonna burn your dry seasoning. Saute 2 to 3 minutes, then added the onion slices, and the onion slices also is the same case, not making too much brown, so then your pulao will be brownish color. It's not gonna stay white, so make sure the onion not gonna be brown, it's just little fried. Then I added 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. If you like, you can add the garlic paste also, but please don't add too much. If you like, you can add half teaspoon, because some people like it, but I really like the ginger paste in my pulao rice, so that's why I skip the garlic paste. Then saute another 5 minutes with the medium flame. I sauteed in a medium flame, that's why the seasoning got cooked, but it's not get fried like a brownish color. That's why beginning always make sure in a medium flame. Then I added those rice, and now I will fry the rice until the water gets dry from the rice and fried nicely. That's the way the rice not gonna stick together with each other, so that's why you have to fry them properly. At the beginning I fried the rice in a medium high flame, and then I turned down the flame in a medium, so the rice not gonna be burned also. Sometimes you cannot get control if you have a high flame and the rice gonna be burned, and those are not good. So always be patient at this stage. And now I add the water. Here I measure 8 cups of water, and then I will add the 2 cups of milk. It should be whole milk. Now I'm adding 10 to 12 green chilies. I didn't break them, it's just for the flavor. If you break it, then it's gonna be spicy. Then added some salt to taste. Mix them properly and then cover them up with the top. Make sure the top has no hole in it. If you have any hole in your top, then you could have a piece of paper towel and roll it up and then cover the hole. Here I cooked this with a high flame for 10 minutes, but I checked at the 8 minutes because I'm not gonna take a risk. Sometimes it can get done by 8 minutes, so the rice not get burned. Make sure, so don't take a risk. Always turn down the flame on 8 minutes. My pulao rice took 10 minutes and still it didn't burn at the bottom, so I think that's enough. And now I stir them upside down, and then I'll add 7 to 8 aloo gokra and some raisin, and also 4 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Flip up the rice gently. In this stage the rice is kind of soft. If you don't take a caution, the rice is gonna be breaking apart. And then I'll add some kaura essence, just a little bit, and then I add the rest of the raisins on the top and then cover them up with the dish cover. And I have a heavy mortar. I always set them up on the top of it, so it's gonna be tight and air secured. At the final stage, I'll keep this for about 20 minutes in a low flame. Here is pulao rice is ready to serve. I garnish with the top with the fried onion. That's the another part to make this so flavorful. I love to eat the pulao with some hilsa fish and also the boiled eggs. I curried them. I have those recipes in my description box if you like to check this. So I hope you will like this recipe. Please subscribe my channel and follow the next one. Thank you.